Hello everyone, today I'm going to be breaking down this olive wood even further. I just wanted to show you guys kind of my process. Tried to use my jigsaw, but it really wouldn't cut very well. But I ended up using my Harbor Freight circular saw, which seemed to work pretty decent, as long as I took it slow. This is the second slab that I have, and I'm cutting these in a little bit bigger because I wanted to do a couple different sizes and a couple with handles. So as you can see, I'm breaking down this, and then once I get that broken down, I'm going to start flattening these out with my planer. I'm using a flattening jig that I made. It's just a piece of shelving that has laminate on both sides, so it's super flat, and I super glued a piece of oak that's 3/4 inch tall. I didn't want these to be any less than 3/4 inch, so that's kind of, I use that as my gauge. And as you can see here, because some of these weren't flat at all, I had to shim them up in order to make them get flat on one side, and then I could just use the flattening jig on the other side. I kind of use it as well to help me push the wood through. But as you can see, here towards the end, I'm going to show you that this worked really well. Worked really well for me. This planer's not super powerful, but it's the job done. And yeah. Once I get one side flat, you can see I flip it over, remove the shim, and then I can go ahead and just flatten the other side as normal. Kind of like using this flattening jig as well, just because it raised it up a little bit, and it didn't hit the stop screws at the bottom. But yeah, it turns out really well. I'll keep making these videos until these are done. Hope you guys enjoy.